In this video, I'm going to show you how to remove section breaks in Google Docs. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so section breaks let you split a Google Docs document into separate sections with different formatting, such as page orientation, columns, or headers. Now, if you no longer need a section break, you can remove it in just a few clicks. So go ahead and open up your Google Doc document. Then from there, click on the view and then choose show non-printing characters. Now we can see all of our section breaks here. So I've got one here. I've even got a page break. So in order to remove it, just go ahead and click onto it and click on the backspace. Now if backspace doesn't work, or click on your delete key on your keyboard, that should delete it. So basically click up where the section break is. So not before it, not after it, right before it here, and then click on your keyboard your delete key, and that's going to go ahead and delete it. It might format your document a little bit funny, so if I go ahead and remove that one, I'll click on delete, and that's going to remove that section break. And I think this works for page breaks. Click on delete. Yep, it does too.